I'm Captain Starlight, and welcome to another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. Today, we are building and playing with Lego. But before we begin, can you like and subscribe to our channel? Have you done it yet? Great work! Let's go! Lego! Today, we're building one of these cool mini sets from the 11021 90 Years of Play, a commemorative Lego classic set that celebrates 90 years of play. That includes 15 mini models of some of Lego's most iconic sets. And in this video, the mini model we're making is the house and car, a nod to the town plan from the 1950s. Let's get started with the house and car. Do you ever make Lego without the instructions? Oh, I've done it the wrong way because I wasn't following the instructions. Whoops. Oh, the car is coming together. Look how cool this piece of Lego is. I think we're adding the wheels now. The wheels on the car go round and round. I've done it. Look at this. Look at the car. Vroom. Onto the house. We add a door. Very important when building a house. How do you get through the house otherwise? Don't forget the door. Here we go. It's taking shape. Oh, cute. Look, they're little windows. How cute. We've got 3 walls, and now we need a roof. Make it a bit taller, otherwise you won't be able to fit in there. Am I missing a piece? No, I'm not. Excellent. Okay, here we go. Whoop. And then the piece of resistance, a little chimney added on, and look, a cute little house. Housey, I'm home. Did you get the milk? Oh no! Whoops! Isn't this stunning? Grand Designs, watch out. For more unbox and play videos, click the link down below and be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time. Oh, I just love what you've done with the place, darling.